last day of our cruise. Well, second to last day of our cruise. Our last port of call. Half Moon Cay, Bahamas. They have a bunch of activities you can do. They got a beach, go snorkeling. In fact, we're gonna go snorkeling. We brought our own gear. And we also have an excursion booked. And a little horseback riding. Supposed to take you across the land and out into the water eventually. The thing different about this port is we don't get off at a pier. They have little boats that come out, pick us up, and take us on shore. We'll see how it goes.
Hi.
Island.
You find you a horse?
Try it together.
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah? Oh. So, husband.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, good.
She's willing to admit that, so
Yes,
that's a good
man.
thing.
She got a nice husband, man. She have to admit that, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, she said big and bold. Yep.
Yep.
Love that.
Yes, he is.
So, I hope you two stay together.
Definitely.
Forever and ever and ever, you know?
Well, we've been together this long.
All and great.
She can't get rid of me now.
Huh?
She can't get rid of me now. We've been together this long.
Alright. That's
Hey, what
good.
about me?
Oh.
Have you watch him, sir? He'll put you on the donkey head. You know?
Oh, keep an eye on him. Man.
Alright, so where you guys from?
Houston, Texas.
Backside, eh? I'm
Yeah.
from Sugarland.
Sugarland? No.
Huh?
Okay.
You think that's true?
Sure, why not?
No, sir, that's a lie.
Goats?
Yeah, this is where we keep the tropical reindeer. Yeah, you call them goats.
The
Right?
tropical reindeer. Alright, does it get any more picturesque than this? to go swimming with the horses. What do you think? Horseback riding in the Bahamas. Is it worth it?
Oh, amazing.
Very worth it. Try it. Do it. You must do it. Do it.
Let's do it.